Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to send money through Binance ID. It's very simple. So all you have to do is press the top right corner with that hand with that token right there, and it's going to redirect you to Binance Pay. So what you can do with Binance Pay right here is actually send and receive money through your Binance ID. So if you want to receive, you can just press the receive button right here. You can scan a QR code with another phone basically, and then this will be a receiving end. So you can also copy your Binance ID right here. As you can see, right below pay, you have your Binance ID 578-483-703. So you use that to actually send. So you can even send to multiple people if you need to, but you can use your Binance ID. So press paste right there, 578-483-703. Press continue, and then just place the amount right here on USDT. So let's go with US dollars right here. So US dollars, so you have your actual US dollar fiat amount. So let's say 10,000 US dollars. You press confirm, you press continue, you can add a note, and then you have to actually place the actual Binance ID that we just placed a while ago here to confirm that you know the ID. So you just don't have to do copy paste. So 578 again, and then 483, and then 703. So there, if I remember it correctly. So confirm, and then it's gonna confirm the payment right here. And it says it reminds you not to pay to yourself. Basically, of course, that's gonna be stupid because it's not gonna work. But basically, that's how you send money through your Binance ID. And it's really simple. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.